This is the fastest method to tie a tie in just 10 seconds. And once you get the motion down, you'll be able to do it almost without thinking. The first thing you need to do is take the lower end of the tie and place it like this over the flexible part of your forearm. This step is key because it helps you measure the ideal length quickly without guessing. Make sure the body of the tie is resting flat over your palm so it doesn't twist. With your right hand, take the hanging end and lay it across your palm perpendicular to form a loop. Repeat this same motion one more time, creating a second loop, but leave a small gap between both loops so you can work with them easily. Next, slide your fingers under the first loop, grab the second loop, and pull it through underneath the first one in one smooth motion. This is where the knot forms instantly. All you have to do now is adjust and tighten the knot slightly, and just like that, your tie is perfectly done in under 10 seconds. I'll put it on with a shirt so you can see how clean, sharp, and elegant the final result looks.